Hey guys, welcome to my channel Learn with Komali. Today's question of the day series question number 21. Which country's president named Time Magazine's 2022 Person of the Year? Options: USA, UK, Ukraine, Uzbekistan. So before looking into the answer, let's see what is this Time Magazine's 2022 Person of the Year. What is this Person of the Year? Person of the Year is an annual issue of the Time magazine featuring a person, a group, an idea, or an object that had significantly influenced the events of the year. It is chosen by the magazine's editors. Ukraine President Vladimir Zelensky, who gained global recognition after playing central role in resisting Russian invasion, was named the 2022 Person of the Year. His decision to stay in Kiev and fight against Russian forces made him famous. So the right answer for this question is Ukraine's Ukraine country's president Vladimir Zelensky. He was awarded or he was named Time Magazine's 2022 Person of the Year. And here is another question for you. Which union ministry organized the Swar Festival? And here are your options. If you know the answer, comment down. And if you do not know the answer, click on the video that is shown on the screen. That's it for this video, guys. For more such videos, subscribe to my channel Learn with Komali and do not forget to check out my community post.